Hi, Dr. Thayer here. I'm going to do a new video today, and this video has two people in it. And so bear with us. This is going to be our first time trying this, and we may get a little mixed up on the shuffle, but we'll do the best we can. Son, mother, he found me on the internet. He's been hurting for quite a number of years, and he's been searching, doesn't trust chiropractors, kind of, and he found me on the internet, and he goes, this guy sort of knows what he's doing, maybe. So he showed his mom, let's go see him. So they're here, right? Is that sort of like,
yes.
Or did I sensationalize that a little
Yes.
bit? Probably, but that's fine. That's what I do. Okay, so we're gonna go through and do two, so we'll see what happens. It'll be kind of fun. Let's start with Katie, and why don't you say your name, the real?
Enriqueta Wattenberg.
Yes, exactly. Okay, so Katie, we're gonna go with Katie. And so she has had pain for how long?
5 years.
5 years, and where is your pain?
All over here in my hip, all over here in my neck,
Gotcha.
and my back.
In your back. How bad is your low back pain? On a scale of 1 to 10?
10.
10. Now it's a 10.
No, 8 is
She's good on the camera.
No, I told you.
Okay, so she said it was 8 out of 10 the other day. She's 10 out of 10. It's a lot of pain. She's been suffering for quite a while. She's been visiting chiropractors, massage therapists on and off, but doesn't seem to really get anywhere. So she wants to come here and see what happens here. Right?
Yes.
About right?
Yes.
Perfect. And you have had problems with your back since high school.
Yeah.
And you're 27? 27. Michael here.
Yes.
And you visited a chiropractor back then a couple times? Back then, yes.
Yeah.
And did you have any help? I forget why you...
I mean, it would work just, and
bit?
then it would a little bit, but it would return.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
So why are you here? Tell them about the pain you have.
I have a lot of pain in my neck and in my back, and then also in the lower back right here. And sometimes, I'll get a knee jerk sometimes. It's just more being off balance as well.
Gotcha. And so your pain is where? On the right side more,
on the
right?
right side more, yeah.
And yours doesn't go down your leg as much?
No,
Gotcha.
it just probably
stays right here. And
yeah.
what is the scale of 1 to 10 for you?
For me, it's around like 6 or 7.
6 or 7. So it's not quite as much, but she has a couple years on them, so hers is a little worse. But your neck, and you're more at the end of the day, your pain kind of comes on.
Yeah.
Gotcha. And yours is all day
All
long.
day.
Long. How about sleep, guys? Any problem with sleep between the two of you?
No.
No.
Gotcha. So we're going to get them adjusted today. Like I said, I hope you bear with us with the camera work, but we're going to do the best we can. So come on in here, guys. So Michael, why don't you go first?
Okay.
And Katie, sit over here, please. And we're going to go through range of motions here. Stand right here. Stand right here. Good. So knees straight, bend over, touch your toes best you can.
That's fine. Go ahead.
Any pain there in your back there?
A little.
And what is the scale on that one?
Like a 7.
A 7. 6 or 7. Okay. So when he says little, does he look like he's in pain at all? No, it doesn't. But he says little. Okay, go ahead and put your hands back here and go back. Is that one worse or better than the other one? About the same.
About the same.
Got the same. So 6 or 7 on that one. Look at the floor with your neck. Okay, any pain there?
No.
Look at the ceiling. Any pain there?
Just great.
Tight. But what is that scale?
It's
3
like,
or 4?
like 3 or 4.
3 or 4. Gotcha. So the low back is still the problem.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
It's just
okay,
more
so
like straining.
sort of watch what I'm doing with him, and we'll do the same thing with you. Okay? So go ahead and lay on your back, face up, please. Okay. Okay, hands on your belly like this. Put them down low. Good. Okay, so we're going to go nice and slow with you, Michael. Okay, just take our time. It's been a while for you. I'm not going to try to solve all your problems in one visit, so just don't be scared about that, okay? We're just going to do a nice, easy adjustment. So right now I'm just feeling. Okay, so his x-rays are going to show up right now, and he has a pretty marked reverse curve in his neck, and you'll see that. So what we're doing is going for the apex of the reversal, and I'm feeling right now, and you can feel all this, and he can feel that pain right here, a little bit more on the right side than the left side. Yeah, right there. Okay. So we're just right in the middle of the apex. We're going to try to reverse that curve back the way it's supposed to be. Okay, just relax. I'm going to give you an adjustment in a second, okay? Okay, nice and relaxed. Good. Good. Just let those go here. Good, there you go. Good. Whoa. 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 A little nervous, aren't you?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, but how was that? It wasn't as bad as you thought it was
No,
going to be.
but that was awesome. That felt really good. That felt really good.
Good. I love it. But your mind builds it up to be bigger than it is, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but that was easy,
definitely.
right? And
Yeah.
it felt good too. Good, I love that.
Wow.
Okay, this one should actually go easier than the other side. So just really relax.
All right.
The more you tighten up, the harder it is on you. So just try to let it go. Okay, one more right here. Yeah, this side's much easier. I can already feel it. Yeah, see, it's already starting to go. Good. Much easier, right?
Yeah.
Good, you're doing great. Doing great. Get their faces right now. She's next.
Kills me.
He's gonna be fine. He's gonna be fine. Okay. So in a second, just like on the videos, I tell you not to twist and turn. Okay. The more you twist and turn, the more you undo what I do.
All right.
Okay. So you're just gonna look straight ahead. Keep your eyes off the ground. Look straight ahead, and keep your arms at your side. Okay. And just walk.
All right.
And you're gonna walk up and down the hall while we adjust your mother, and then we'll see how you feel afterwards. Okay.
Okay.
Just don't go checking yourself until we come out and check you. Okay.
No problem.
Good. Okay, hand. Come on up. Put your legs on the side here. Stay right there a second. Okay, so lightheaded at all?
Yeah, most definitely.
Oh, good. Okay, so
Most
that's a
definitely.
good thing. And the reason that's good is because, and everybody always asks this, why is it good? Because I'm affecting the cerebellum, that brainstem I was telling you about. By affecting it, I'm changing it. And your body's off balance for so long that when I put it in balance, it feels weird.
Yeah, it does.
And so your body has to accommodate. So the walking helps take this imbalance or the new balance he has and spread it through the body. And that's why his back's going to feel better when we're all done with this. So go ahead and walk, please. Okay, your turn, man. You take just shoot him for a second longer. Go ahead and shoot him real quick and then come on back. Okay, right there, man. And as soon as you come on back, come on. So same thing with you, okay? So Katie, bend over and touch your toes, please. Okay, any pain in your back there?
Here.
And what is that scale? Is that a 10 or an 8 or 9? Where are you at?
Between 9 and 10.
Okay, so it's a lot. So go ahead and lean back, please. Is that worse or better than the other way?
Better than that way.
So the forward is the worst. Gotcha. Now look down at the floor, please. Do your neck. And what about that one? Neck? Any pain there? Not much?
Almost nothing.
Look at the ceiling. How about that one?
A little bit.
A little bit. Was that a 3 or 4? Or
Like 4.
4, okay. So you're going to do the same thing. Come sit over here, please. Or lay down, please, on your back. Other way.
Sorry.
No problem. Okay. Katie here, her x-rays are much more progressive than Michael's. She has a reverse curve that's been there a long time. She has a lot of arthritis, and they're popping up right now, and you'll see the progression on her. Okay? We'll show all this to you next time, guys, okay? So just like your son, just relax the best you can, okay? Just keep walking one more time, Michael, and then come back. Just like I told your son, I'm not going to try to rush through this. We'll take our time, okay? Okay, it's all right here. This whole right side is ridiculously tight. You're pain on the left side, though, or the right? It's the left.
The left.
Interesting.
It started that one a little bit, remember? I told
Yeah, you did, but the right side of your neck is really off. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, just relax here, okay? Good, you're doing fine.
Oh!
Ooh. I'm sorry. I hurt you good. I'm sorry about that. I told you that right side felt bad to me. suppose you've never been adjusted like that before, huh? Yeah, I'm sorry. That can happen, people, and the reason it happens is because there's so much pressure in there. And, you know, not on everybody, but it does. It's not unusual to happen, so I apologize, but we're going to get you a lot better, okay? You're going to feel different. Okay, one more. Come on this way, please. This side should be a lot easier, okay? Good. Good, just take your time right here. Breathe. There you go, nice and relaxed. You're doing great. I know it's hard to relax after the last one, but just do the best you can. See, it's already starting to move.
Ah.
Good. Did you just say ow because you thought you should say ow? Or
No.
did it hurt?
It hurts a
It hurt too,
little bit.
okay. Well, fair
Nothing
enough.
like that other
But
one.
nothing like the other one. Gotcha. Now, there's a good thing about this. I know it doesn't feel good, but the good thing is that I treat patients sometimes and you can't move their neck because they're so tight. At least we got movement, okay?
Yeah.
So that means there's going to be progress. Let's come back, please, the other way. So just like I told you, son, no twisting or turning. You're going to do the same thing. Want to sit up? See how you're doing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. Have your hand, please. Put your legs over the side. Scoot over a little bit. Again, I'm sorry to hurt you a little bit.
No, it's okay.
Yeah. How much dizzy are you?
Nah.
None? Okay. There you go. Okay, ready to walk? Okay, don't twist or turn. Remember, just keep your hands on your side. Go ahead and walk, please. Guys, you can see the difference already in her. You feel different too, huh? Okay, so Michael, why don't you stand right here and have your mom come down here. Ooh. I'm sorry. Is there something? Just because it hurts or just?
It goes away.
It feels what?
I don't feel it. I feel good.
You feel good? Can you tell the camera?
It don't bother me.
Why are you crying?
Because it don't bother me.
He's happy.
That's happy?
I'm happy.
Wow. Wow.
I just have the pains all the time. I don't say anything, but I have it. I don't feel right now because I standing up right there with my husband. It hurts.
How much less pain? Do you have none or do you have a...
Oh, I have, but no light. When I
Sharp,
standing up right now,
ridiculous.
yes.
Okay,
I
one more
have-
lap. One more lap, please. Wow.
You already see a difference.
You can see the posture.
Yeah.
It's great.
You can stand right here, sir, if you want. You can see us down here. We're gonna shoot right here. You stop right here, man. Okay, so let's do your mom first. Okay, so knees straight. Just go over as far as you can. Just do what you can. Don't push. Don't go fast. Okay. You looking at me like you're mad at me? Is that mad at me?
No,
So what? You were at 8, 9 out of 10 a minute ago. What are you
like
now?
7.
A 7? So it's still a lot of pain.
Yes.
Gotcha. But it's not the sharp stabbing
No,
pain.
no.
Okay, go ahead and lean back, please.
Oh, wow.
Oh, God, what?
I got more back.
Okay, let's take a look at your neck real quick. Look at the ground, please. How about that?
Fine,
How about the ceiling?
fine.
And there was pain there before, right? So I'm gonna have you walk some more, and it's gonna get better. So keep walking. So I'm gonna have you do it, Michael, right here. Stand right here. Okay, knees straight. Bend over, touch your toes best you can. Look at that. Look at that dog. That's ridiculous range of motion. You could put your hands flat if you wanted
Yeah.
to. When's the last time you could do that?
I don't remember.
Yeah. Because this guy's really flexible. He played volleyball, basketball, and football, right?
Yeah.
And so this guy was really flexible before I even worked on him, and that was crazy. That was crazy.
Yeah.
How much pain? I'm sorry. You were 6 or 7 a minute ago.
It's almost like none.
Almost like none?
Yeah, I really, don't really. Yeah,
Okay, so you're how old again? You're 75?
27.
Okay, so
27.
27. That was 10 years of pain, right?
Yeah.
And so, what would that take, like 5 hours to work on you? Yeah. I'm sorry, exaggerating. I'm doing it for the kids. Okay, so go ahead and go back.
Wow. There's nothing. I don't feel anything at all.
So it was good time. It's good that you found my videos, right?
Yes.
Gotcha. Okay. Thank you. Let me get your mom one more time. Okay. Let's try it one more time. Touch your toes, okay?
Oh, well,
Oh, wow, what? Go ahead and do it again. Go ahead and do it again.
I can touch it.
I can touch it. Now, you were 7 out of 10 a minute ago. Please don't lie.
No,
So what are you now?
I still like maybe 6.
A 6? Okay, so it still hurts a little bit.
Yeah.
But it's way better than it was.
Better than 10.
Good. I love it. I love it.
Yeah, better than 10.
Okay. Thank you very much for doing the video with
Thank
me.
you.
That was a lot of fun to do too. That's a first for here on our videos. Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you. Thank you, doctor.
You're very welcome. Now, we're going to talk